Grex fine wire staplers available for all major staple types. The flat wire and wide crown makes the 50 series staple the most versatile fine wire staple used in manufacturing, and it fits the Grex 50 AF LM Auto Fire industrial stapler. Simple, effective design is reliable and easy to maintain. Like all Grex products, this model has the metal construction you expect in an industrial quality tool. Easy threaded access to all major internal parts. Exceptionally lightweight piston and driver pin delivers fast cycling time and rapid firing rate for maximum productivity. The wide crown and flat wire profile makes the versatile 50 series staple ideal for lighter, looser fabrics and Naugahyde. Firing rates are easily adjustable from semi-automatic to rapid, fully automatic fire. The rear-facing exhaust port means more comfortable operation. The slim profile and compact rounded body design delivers maximum visibility of the work area. The extra-long magazine holds 400 staples, and the textured grip provides all-day comfort.